Hello, boys and girls! Halloween is coming! Halloween is one of my favorite celebrations because I can decorate my home with scary things. So, yesterday I went to a shopping center and I bought so many scary decorations. Look! I've got my Halloween bag right here. Let's have a look.
This is a big black spider. It has got 8 long legs and 2 red eyes. It looks scary, but it's not real. Don't worry. Here there is a spider web. Wow, there are 6 little spiders on it. They are small and black, and they look very funny. Okay, let's move on. There is a big balloon. It's very tall, about 1 meter and 20. It has got white teeth and a red cape. So cool! Let's see what's next. This is my Halloween candy bag. It's small and white, and it has got a skull face. I can put sweets and chocolate inside. Yummy! What's next? Let's find out. There are 4 red candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put them on the table for a spooky light. Oh, look at this! Something creepy! There are 2 skeleton arms. They are white and bony, and they have got scary hands. Let's see another spooky thing. There is a special hand. It can move when I turn this little wheel. That's funny and a bit creepy, right? This is a black runner for my table. Perfect for my Halloween dinner. There are 9 orange glasses. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 orange glasses. Great for a spooky drink. And here there are some ghost lights.
That's all for today. Did you like my decorations? And what's your favorite decoration? Tell me in the comments. Bye bye, little monsters. Happy Halloween!